He is a good dude. He's a really good guy.
He's been down since 2013. He's been back before.
11. Yeah. Fish on the slick. It's a nice redfish. Come here, come to Papa. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, sitting on the bottom again. On the slick, baby, come on. Ah, it's a nice little red. Slick getting it done. Slammed it. Oh, just got hit again. Fish on. Fish on. Yep, on the slick again. It's a trout, I think. That's a nice trout. Slick Junior getting it done. Getting it done. Yeah. Another good one on the slick. Another good fish on the slick. Come on. This bait has produced for me today big time. Big time production. Big time production. Let's go. Oh, fish on. Look at that. I mean, this thing is crushing right now. Say we get another one. Fish on. Let's go. This lure is putting work in. It's a slammer trout. He's 17 and a half. I mean, this slick is getting it done right now, dude. Putting that work in. Look at that fish.
Yeah. Yeah, check us out. Two fellas fishing.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I could probably do it right now.
Yeah, send us a message if you're ever going out fishing. Let us know.
Well, I'll hook up with
We'll
you.
link up. Show you how to do it. You got a whole
Oh, you got the last slick.